Here's an easy way to layer long hair. I started with my guide, so standing in the front, I took a diagonal subsection, pulled it forward, and cut a diagonal line that left length to the bottom. We're using over direction, so all the subsections are pulled to that front stationary guide, and this creates length that moved towards the back, so we're able to maintain length and weight in the haircut. To figure out what line you should cut, just connect that shortest layer to the length. So you can hold the pieces out and it'll show you what kind of line you need to connect the two parts, and that'll give you blended face framing. And remember, you're just using that one stationary guide in front, so once you have that set, it's really easy to pull the sections forward and connect them. Now moving to the back, I separated the nape, occipital, and crown sections, and I started layering the hair from the top down, using the hair from the highest point of the head as my guide. We created round layers, and then in the nape, just kept our elevation at 90 degrees and blended down to the length. Now I blow dried with Kenra Volume Mousse to get a little bit of body and hold in my style. And then I did some channeling to create additional movement in the haircut. So I like doing this especially in the front to create layers that the guest can style and play with. So it creates a lot of nice movement. And now you can see I'm going to add some of my Kenra Luxe Shine Oil just to make the layers stand out a little bit more and add that textured look that I like. It gives a wet kind of shine. So this is the final result. Let me know if you learned something in the comments and what else you'd like to see. Thanks.